So this video is going to show you how to stop double booking in Lawmatics. So when you schedule into Lawmatics, the appointments go into Lawmatics, but everything else that you would do if you go to the dentist or whatnot, you can put that in here, but you would probably have that in your Outlook or Google Calendar, which is separate, and that doesn't sync over here. The appointments that you put into Lawmatics sync into your Google or Outlook calendar. So that is your full calendar. So how does that work when you're scheduling so that you don't double book in Lawmatics? Well, when you create an appointment, and we'll just create one right here, you choose your appointment type that you want, call it whatever you want, choose your meeting host. If additional attendees, make it a Zoom. But the time is what you want to do is you actually want to switch to use availability. And it's based on who is the host. So whoever you pick as the host is going to go off their availability. If you select multiple hosts, it will go off both of their availabilities and only show you time that is available for both. So if I remove Beth, then you can see here's my availability. I'm going to pick the 28th or whatever day, and then I can pick a time that it works. If you're working in time zones, change the time zone and then pick it in their time. But this is how you avoid it. It's telling you the availability from your Outlook or Google Calendar, inclusive, that has all of your Lawmatics appointments as well. And you can do this in a matter as well. So if you're doing just a simple one-off, then you're just going to go into any matter. And we'll just go into this one. And you can say schedule an appointment. And it's going to be the exact same thing. Choose your hosts, choose your appointment type, and then use availability. So just get in the habit of always clicking the use availability if you're booking it manually, or you can simply bookmark what you want for appointments. So you can see up here, I have meeting links. So if I want to book a Let's Chat with Beth, I can just click that, and then I can fill in the information and pick a date and time that works, and it'll go into Lawmatics. So there's definitely the possibility of double booking, but if you're using the booking link or using the book by schedule in the calendar, again, which is right here in the calendar, new appointment, and then use availability. That's going to be your secret to stop all double bookings.